Mr. Donut. Alright, so we're just gonna take a little walk today through the neighborhood. We gotta go and pay the water bill anyway, so we'll decided to take a little walk and walk through the neighborhood here. It's an overcast day again, but it's been pretty hot lately. Yesterday I think it was like 35 degrees and it's been painful to have that kind of heat. This is a typical side street, and Janice said, I gotta do a vlog. She has her channel, she works on it, and she's actually accomplished quite a bit. She has, I think, 600-700 subscribers, and she's doing pretty well, even though we both actually have been kind of lazy, not doing much. But here you see down the street, this is typical in all three phases, phase 1, 2, and 3. Sakura store. It's interesting. Discovered they have some really nice oven roasted chicken, so we have gone there a couple of times and picked up chicken and do a few things like that. The community here, it's actually pretty big. I looked at it. Barangay Tabun has like 13, 14, somewhere around there, 1,000 people living in this barangay. Huh? To go straight over there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I don't know where you pay the water.
Maybe we ask someone. You sure? You bring it?
Well, I thought I did. Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful, ma. I always put your money.
Alright, so this is like for us the first time we're paying our water bill there, and we are not quite sure exactly where to go. Down this street, that's phase 3. Down there's a trike station. Janice thinks it's up here where we have the water station where we can pay it, but I'm not sure. You need to ask somebody here. So, alright, she's gonna go ahead and ask somebody. Huh?
Clubhouse. Okay. Okay, thank you.
What house?
Clubhouse.
The clubhouse. Oh, okay. So that's where?
That's phase 3.
Yeah. So apparently the clubhouse is down this way. We have gone through here a couple of times before. Man, these streets are busy. And like I said, there's 14,000 people living here. So it's quite a big community. A few thousand homes, I bet. But down here to the left, like I said before, there's the train station. Straight ahead looks like that could be some form of community building. So let's see here what's going on here. Gotta ask around, I guess. What's better place to ask than the trike? Hey, where do you pay your water bill?
Water bill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think I see it. And I think they actually this is like community supplied water. They have their big tanks and everything, so it's not like a public water company or anything. It's just the inside here in Barangay Tabun. Villages water supply system. All right. Yeah. But are they here?
Yeah, I just open.
Payments here. There you go. There you go. Good afternoon.
So now we know.
Yeah, it's actually pretty close. Pretty close to the area. So, all right. So we got the bill paid. So that's a good thing. Yep. It's all paid. It's gonna get a little rainy here. Not before long, even though even the sun, the sky is blue in some areas. So should we go and pay the garbage too?
Garbage for the month of October.
Yeah. Or is it too early? Right.
Hey.
Hello. Alright, so this is kind of like municipal basketball court, but I guess, of course, they don't want kids to play during this Christmas. They've actually taken the baskets down. That's interesting. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, so here we got a barber shop. I'll try that one next time, because the one I went to the other time here wasn't that good. Yeah. So next time I go here and try it. It's like a small little area here. But some of the areas here are starting to get a little run down, actually, for some reason. Is this residential here?
I don't know. Maybe.
Or a commercial or residential?
Yeah, there's a lot of commercial.
Right.
We have a barbecue.
Where? Oh yeah, okay. BBQ. Every day? You guys barbecue here every day?
There's a pizza of intestine.
Yeah. Do you barbecue every day?
Yes.
Every day.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
We do barbecue.
Cool. Yeah. You can tell.
Yeah.
You can tell on the ground.
Wanna buy some?
Yeah, we can just buy a couple of pork sticks, I guess,
Yeah.
if you want. Why not? If she has pork, I don't know.
May pork kayo, Te?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here. Chicken. And pork.
Chicken and pork. All right, so looks all right. Looks good. So, how much are these?
20 each.
20 each?
20 each. Pork.
Sa chicken, 50.
All right.
Na isaw, magkano sa isaw?
5.
5.
It was a long time ago we had barbecue, so
And then I will ano, isaw.
we'll try it. Yeah, we're gonna get that. Where she said they have pork or chicken?
This one.
You want to try that
I want
too?
chicken.
Yeah, that looks good.
Buy 2. I will buy some for intestine.
Okay. 2 chicken, 2 pork.
Oops. Toast lang siya yung yung isaw toast. Yeah, merienda muna kami.
That's good.
Anong channel?
Mo? Mo? Asa ka?
And this is something that I never had the guts to try. Intestines. All right, so we're done with the barbecue and are gonna start heading back home.
Ayan, it's good to be out kasi
Yeah, so
marami nagtatanong sa channel.
I didn't realize there was a little market here, but I guess
Yeah, there is a market here.
they put up their tents and they sit here and all right, track station. Hey man, how are you? Yeah, staying busy driving.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. I wonder what this building is back in here.
I don't
I mean, it looks like it could have been a school at one point, but it is all fenced up. Nobody is there. Here we got another one vendor hanging around. It's a little bit of, it's too bad, you know, people just drop things. I just saw a little report. I just saw a report today.
Huh?
I just saw a report yesterday, I think it was, about garbage in the ocean.
Yeah.
And Philippines is number 2 or number 3 in the world when it comes to plastic garbage in the ocean. That's not a good record to hold.
Yeah. So much better to use a paper bag.
Yeah, well, it's much better to pick your garbage up when you're done.
Or you just hold it on your hands.
Yeah.
When you better
Bring it home.
The grocery.
Bring it home. Right, straight ahead, main entrance.
Kaya yung main gate only, guys.
Main gate. You know what? I'm gonna go pharmacy.
Oh, I need to buy this also.
Ibuprofen. Give me one cart. And what do you say you want?
Vex.
Come here.
Yung Vex po, yung ano, medyo ganyan kalaki yung Vex. Ayan. Yun lang.
Alright, that was kind of a little neighborhood walk. You know, we don't get out too much anymore. It's been hot, and I'm loving my AC. I'm loving my air conditioner, and had a little bit of work here and there. So I've been spending most of my time inside the air conditioning. But for your health and for your well-being, it is good to be out once in a while. But anyway, that was a little wrap, guys. We just took a little walk today. Had to pay a couple of bills and get that done and over with. So we'll see you next time. Don't miss Wednesday evening Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. we have another live feed. So we'll see you then. All right, bye.